This is the AirSafe Plus air purifier with IntelliSense AI technology. To remove the filter, we start by turning it upside down, and then on each corner here there is a tab. You squeeze these tabs in at the same time and pull up. This is the filter. It looks like it's already ready to go. This is how you would replace the filter. You would take this one out, put a new one in, and then here is the UV bulb. I'm not going to remove it at this moment, but if you need to replace that, you would turn this counterclockwise to unlock it and pull that out, and then clockwise to lock it back in. In fact, we'll just unlock it to show you how that's done. Here's the UV bulb, and then once that's replaced, you don't want to touch the bulb with your fingers because it will get oils on there, and that will cause the bulb to have a reduced lifespan. And then to put it back on, make sure the corners are lined up correctly, and all three are snapped in place. There's one in the back as well, but to remove it, you only need to do these two tabs. This is the fan speed. It goes up to 3. If you want the UV, you'll press that. And now the UV is on. There's a light in there where the UV is, so that's how you can tell. Now the light's off. Sleep mode will run everything, but the lights are all turned off. The front light and the top is off. It's still running. And then if you just hit something, it will turn back on and show you what the status is. Automatic checks the quality of the air, and it'll turn on and off depending on what your room quality is. And that's the unboxing and setup of the AirSafe Plus Germ Guard air purifier. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit that link in the description down below to check out this product. If you'd like to take a closer look at its features and possibly get one for yourself, I'll have that link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.